Hi there, it's Albert Luck again from luckymaths.co.uk. Today I'm going to be talking you through multiplication 2. This worksheet is available on the website in the resources section. So what we're doing is 22 lots of 14 and then 14 lots of 22. A couple of blank grids for you to maybe try and explore and create the numbers and do things yourself, maybe without any help. Otherwise I'm going to start off 22 lots of 14 at the top using the doubling kind of format, let's say, to start with, where one lot of 14 will become two lots of 14 by doubling, and then four lots of 14 will be double 28, which is 56, double 56, 112, and then if we double that, 224. Now, of course, I'm going quite quickly with the doubling, and if you're not confident with doubling, what you could do is just add together the two numbers. So like 56 plus 56, you could add them together somewhere else, and if you're using a mini whiteboard or at the back of your exercise book or something, rough working, to make sure you don't get any of these steps wrong. Because yes, it's only doubling, but if you make a mistake here, of course, how we're going to get 22 lots, we won't get the final answer. Okay, so example 2, before we start working the actual answer out, one lot is 14, two lots is 28, four lots is 56, 8 lots is 112. I generally would double, up to 8 lots, and then I'll normally start going 10, 20, 40, 80. And when we go on to the next video, you'll see why maybe it's really just doubling 2 or 3 times is probably going to be enough. If one lot is 14, 10 lots will be 140. And below, so we've got 114, 2 would be 28. And this time, again, that little kind of, not a shortcut, but a way to kind of make the numbers bigger, and this is where I'll explain why I'm doing that, is when I look at, I wanted 22 lots of 14. So by understanding place value, that's 2 units and 2 tens, or 20 lots. So now, I believe the last example here is the easiest one to work with, because I've only got to add 2 numbers together. I've not had to do loads of working out. If we look at the example 1, there's 5 numbers written down. There's 5 numbers for the top right one, but here there's only 3, and it's taken the work and made it, to me, the most efficient way to get 22 lots is to add 280 and 28, which is 308. So in a sense, I'm not doing as much work here. That would be my go-to solution, but that's because I know I'm looking for 22 lots. So it's the 20 that's important, and the 2. You can still solve it though using this top left one, because 16 lots of 14 added to 4 lots will give you 20 added to 2 lots. So again, if we cross out the numbers we're not interested in, the remaining 3, if you add those 3 numbers, you will get 308. And with the first one, on the top right, if we take the 10 lots and add to the 8 lots, that would be 18 lots. If we add 4, there's 22 lots. So again, it's 3 numbers added together in a slightly different way, but it will give you the same answer. So now 14 lots of 22. This time we're interested in the 22 times table. So I'm just going to do this 2 ways. 22 doubles to make 44, which doubles to make 88, which doubles to make 176. The second example, 22 doubles to make 44, which doubles to make 88, but this time I've thrown in the 10 lots, because that's going to help us with the 14 lots, as I'll explain now, because if you take 10 lots, add to 4 lots, again looking at place value, 14, is 4 units and 1 10. So that's why I think if you can maybe simplify the steps you don't have to work as hard, let's say, to get the answer. So 14 lots of 22 is obviously 308, because 220 plus 88 is 308. It's, again, a good way, once you start getting into this, to really be able to hone the table down to just dealing with the numbers that you need. Okay, so of course there are sometimes some values, for instance there, the 1 lot and the 2 lots are not needed. If I was doing it here, 8 lots and 4 lots is 12 lots plus 2 lots, 14 lots. I don't need the first one. But again, the choice is yours. This is the beauty about this method. Thanks for watching.